Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 1, Week 2, Day 2. So we are working with the short I sound, which is I. So the name of the letter is I, but the sound of the letter is I. I. As in it and 6. Okay, let's blend some sounds together. It, blend, pig, word, pig. It, word, sit. Can't blend yet, now blend. Him, word, him. Whoops, him. Can't blend yet. Did, word, did. Can't blend yet, now blend. Kid, word, oh, kids, kids, word, kids. Okay, we are going to make some new words just by changing one sound. So let's start with this. Let's blend it. Hid, word is hid. Change the d to p. Hip, hip. Change the h to ul. Lip. Change the ul to t. Tip. Change the, so tip. Change the p to n. Tin. Change the t to w. Win. Change the w to p. Pin. Change the n to t. Pit. Change the p to f. Fit. Okay, we're going to go here. When a word ends with consonants that are the same, we only say one sound for both letters. Let's look at a word that does this. So if I blend, it'd be miss. So what they're saying is, even though I have two S's here, I'm not going to go miss. That doesn't make sense. We don't say miss. We say miss. So I'm just going to go miss. Let's do another one. It, blend, hiss. The word is hiss. So we have four letters, but only 3 sounds because we only say the S one time. Okay, let's look at another one. Hill, hill. Okay, here's another one. As. What's the word? Jazz. Jazz. So even though I have 2 Z's, it just says Z one time. Even though we have 2 L's, it just says ul one time. Let's look at this next one. Blend, mit. What's the word? Mit. So even though we have the double T, the double T's, we only say t one time. Let's do one more. Oh, these are some more. So I'm going to let you blend them, and then I'll say them. 3, 2, 1, will. 3, 2, 1, bill. 3, 2, 1, fill. 3, 2, 1, Jill. 3, 2, 1, kiss. So you'll notice, even though there are 2 L's, will only says ul one time. Okay, here are our sight words for this week. This is the word down. Read the word with me. Down. The word down is spelled D-O-W-N. Spell the word with me. D-O-W-N. The word down is spelled D-O-W-N. Write it with me. D-O-W-N. Nice job. One thing I want to point out is this says ow. So if you know that OW says ow, that will help you, because you can't make the sounds unless you know OW says ow. Down. I put the book down. Okay, here's another one. This is the word out. Read the word with me. Out. The word out is spelled O-U-T. Spell the word with me. O-U-T. Let's spell the word. O-U-T. Once again, O-U says ow, like ouch. So if you know that, then you'll know it's out. And this says she is out of money. Okay, here's the next one. This is the word up. Read the word with me. Up. The word up is spelled U-P. Spell the word with me. U-P. The word, let's write it in the air. U-P. Okay? And then I can make those sounds. Up. So let's read the sentence. The cat is up in the tree. This is the word very. Read the word with me. Very. The word very is spelled V-E-R-Y. Spell the word with me. V-E-R-Y. Let's write it in the air. V-E-R-Y. The boy was very hungry. And here's our last high frequency word for today. This is the word go. Read the word with me. Go. The word go is spelled G-O. Spell the word with me. G-O. Let's write it in the air. G-O. This says, I will go to the park. Okay, friends, every single week, every single day, we will be reading a story. And we're building our word knowledge. So we want to make sure we're learning these words as we practice them. Okay, let's go ahead and read this story. We see, let's make the sounds. T-am. What's the word? Tam. Let's do it again. We see Tam. So this is Tam. Okay, these are words you're going to see, and I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. I. 3, 2, 1. See. 3, 2, 1. The. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. We. 3, 2, 1. Like. Okay, let's read our story. Let me go up. I'll go down here for now. We see Tam. Your turn. We see Tam. Okay, let's read this together. Oh, this is Tam. I'm sorry. I thought it was the girl, but it's the boy. Okay. I am Tam. Your turn. I am Tam. Let's go up here now. Here we go. I see Pam at the swing. Your turn. I see Pam at the swing. Here we go. I see Sam at the table. Your turn. I see Sam at the table. Okay, here's the next one. I'm going to let you do this one by yourself, then I'll say it after. My turn. I see a cat. Your turn. My turn. We like bugs. Okay, friends, that's all for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.